Extreme nose blackheads removal deep pore cleaning transformation. At first, these pores may not look severe, but underneath the surface, there's deep congestion, packed inside the skin. Today's treatment focuses on extreme nose blackheads removal, with a full deep pore cleaning transformation, and some of these extractions are more intense than expected. How severe blackheads form. Blackheads become more stubborn when buildup remains inside the pores for long periods of time. Excess oil combines with dead skin cells, dirt, environmental debris, creating compact congestion that sits deep inside the pore. Why the nose gets congested faster. The nose contains more active oil glands than most areas of the face. That means increased oil production, faster buildup, more visible clogged pores. Step 1. Cleansing the surface. We begin by removing excess oil and surface impurities. This helps prepare the skin for deep extraction. Step 2. Steam softening. Steam is applied to soften hardened buildup inside the pores. This allows for smoother extraction. Step 3. Beginning the extraction. The first extractions begin slowly. As pressure is applied, blackheads begin to release from deep inside the pores. Step 4. Extreme extraction phase. Now the deeper congestion appears. Some pores contain thicker buildup than expected. Several extractions require more controlled pressure to fully clear the pore. Step 5. Full pore cleaning. Once the buildup is removed, the pores appear visibly cleaner. Skin texture begins to improve across the nose area. Step 6. Soothing recovery. A calming treatment is applied to reduce redness and support skin recovery. Final results. Before, deep congestion and clogged pores. After, cleaner pores and smoother looking skin. A complete deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message. Sometimes the biggest skin issues are hidden below the surface, but with proper deep cleaning, clearer skin becomes possible. If you enjoyed this extreme deep pore cleaning transformation, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare content.